Context Capture Tutorial: How to use QR codes to tag assets. Step-by-step operations. Step 1. Identify the asset to tag. Step 2. Create and place QR code. Step 3. Capture images. Step 4. Create a new context capture project. Step 5. Import images. Step 6. Submit error triangulation with dedicated settings. Step 7. Export QR information. Identify an asset. Create a QR code and embed information. Place the QR code on the asset. Capture images. Create a new project. Import images. Submit arrow triangulation. Make sure to enable QR codes extraction. QR codes are extracted as user tie points. QR codes can be exported as XML file. On top is QR code description, on the bottom is QR code position. QR codes can also be exported as KML file. The block is geo-registered.